Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, January 10th, 2019. It is now 11 o'clock in the morning, 39 degrees here. I'm in Marietta, Pennsylvania at the Sheets fuel stop. Heading over to make our delivery, about 9 miles from our delivery. They just let me know that the pallet load is ready. So we're gonna go over and grab it. Thanks for joining me. Alright guys, we're over here dropping. Pallets are ready, they're already pulled out of the door, so we don't have to go down to that steep door that we were in the other night. Man, it's warm out. Nice, like spring. Wow. Yeah, they're checking right now to see when these pallets got to be back up to Fulton. I have a feeling they have to go right up, which is not good because you don't have another load for me until Monday. Anyway, we just dropped our loaded trailer here and we're going to hook up to our pallet trailer, which is right next door. So yeah, this is our trailer here and this is our pallet trailer. Let's see. I don't think there's much in it. It's hard to do this one-handed. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can even see in there. It's probably dark in the camera. There's a couple stacks of pallets up front. I think they said there's 98 pallets on here. That is nothing. Hooked up to our loaded one. Just pulled underneath it here. Got to get it all hooked up and checked out. Did I mention it's gorgeous out? Whew. Nice. Spring. Spring is here. Spring is sprung here on January 10th. It's really nice. All right, so here's our situation. This pallet trailer's got to get up there. It's only got 98 plastic pallets on it, but they're going to need it for loads this weekend, so. And she doesn't have another load for me until Monday. It's 180 miles home, and then 180 miles back up to Fulton. So, what I gotta think about is it worth it? If she only has the one load for me, no, it's not gonna be worth it. And it is muddy. It's getting muddy here. Yuck. My truck is filthy. I need to clean this truck. That's what I need to do. Put down a little washcloth to put my muddy feet on. Like, that's gonna help. It's already so dirty in there. I need to spend an afternoon cleaning this thing up. Supposed to be warm tomorrow. Maybe we'll do that too at home. It's supposed to be warm even at home. Need to clean the floors in this truck. Clean everything, really. Take the mats out, wash them out in the bathtub at home. Clean up the floor, get the dirt out of it. This way you can get more dirt in it. Alright guys, we just came out of the TA here in Binghamton. Figured we'd fill up the truck now on the way up to Fulton. It's just now 5 o'clock and it is 39 degrees outside here. We've got 107 miles to Fulton, and I have since spoke with the agent about these loads, these dedicated loads, and it looks good. She actually turned around and gave me a load that delivers at 12:15 a.m. Monday morning, so that's Sunday night basically. That works out great. The load is ready now, so I will head into Fulton, do a drop and hook with the drop the pallets and pick up the loaded trailer, take it home, and leave out sometime on Sunday. Go up there and drop and hook at St. Albans, going up to Vermont, and head back to Fulton. She said she'll have something for me for Monday night, so good deal. Good deal. Alright guys, we are back in Fulton. It is 10 minutes before 7 o'clock at night. 40 degrees here. I hope everything goes smooth up here. Yeah, so we'll have to get our drop and hook done, and then we'll have to do a 30-minute break before we can head home. Yeah, let's see if door number 7 is open. Nope, door number 7 is not open. It's open. Yeah, we're gonna back in up here. Go check in with him before we unhook anything. Get a little bit not really centered in that spot there. Let's get over just a hair. Okay, that's all the way back. Alright guys, we just got off of Interstate 81. We're all the way back down here by Binghamton. Just cutting over to I-88. Got about 77 miles left to go home. Still looking to be there right about 10:45, so well, we ended up having a pretty good week this week. We got our load to start us out for next week already, so we're going to be home Saturday and leave sometime on Sunday. Watch the weather because it's supposed to be icy and snowy up towards St. Albans in Vermont, but it's supposed to end in the afternoon on Sunday, so we'll watch the weather. We're going to end today's video. I really appreciate you guys stopping in. Hope you can come back and see me next time. Hit that thumbs up on the way out. Leave me a comment down below and consider subscribing. And we'll see you next time on the Trucker John Show. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.